and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as a 4Kids at 147, and I've got some goodies to share with you today from FGNormal. They were very kind enough to send me some goodies to share with you. So let's move those off to the side and let's start with the big box at the bottom. So this is something that is new to them. And gives you a different way of diamond painting. In fact, it will give you a way of diamond painting that gives you all job done. So this is actually already on a canvas. So as soon as you finish this painting, you can hang it. There are a few different styles on the website, but this is the one that I chose. It's a 35 by 25 and it is in round. Let me just get the tape measure just to check. So that is sort of the full canvas size. Where you actually stick the diamond paintings, it's a bit more like 24 by 34. Canvas, you know, is probably just a bit shy of 35 centimeters, but I think it's within the scope for being, of course, what they say it is, which is always good. You do get your key on the back. Now there are no DMC numbers on the key, but they are on the diamonds, which I'll show you in a moment. And then you can just cut this off and use that as, of course, your symbols, unless you decide to put it all on your storage containers. That looks to just be, oh, that's just the hanging bracket from the box. We don't need that. You get a basic toolkit, pen, wax, boat, no baggies, no multiple placers, basic bog standard toolkit, and then you get the diamonds. Now the diamonds do have the DMC numbers on them. So if you look here, bag number 21, if the lighting will show it right, is 3865. So that is the DMC number, 3865. The rest of it is in relevance to the painting. 21 is the 21st colour. And this is what we have. So we have quite a few nice purples. We do have some black, some blues, quite a nice selection. Of course, quite a few blues due to the image, you would expect, but a nice few shades of blue, which is always good. Some beautiful pinks for that blossom. More shades of blue and grey with some purple mixed in. So a really nice variety of colours, I'd say, in that one. I'm trying to get this to fold the way it was, but it's not having it. I never fold them back up in the same way that they came. It's just not possible. It doesn't seem to want to happen. See, even though I think I've put them all in the same way, they don't want to fit in either. There we go. But comes nice and compact. The diamonds sit in the back, or they should do if you haven't messed with them. And yeah, nice, reasonable price as well. So do have a look and the link that I'll put in the description below if you are interested. There, as I say, there is quite a few designs, but it was this design that sort of sparked my interest. It's like a mirror, an image in the lake, which was nice. What I also noticed that they had, that I was like, ooh, me needs to see, is a diamond painting pen. Because I kind of like my diamond painting pens. So, oh, this one has more design on the other side. It's a little bit plainer on that side. But it's like got a bigger bump in the middle. And then it's got a few different, you know, you can grip it in a few different places, a bit more thickness there. It does come with a 9 or a 10 multi-placer on one end and a normal single placer on the other, which these can be taken out and swapped. But if you do prefer a little bit of a posher pen. Very reasonable price for one of those. Some custom ones can be more expensive, which is not in everybody's budget. Also, what I saw that was a little bit different when I placed my order, I have seen them appear in a few more places now, is they also do some masks. So like a masquerade mask, and I thought this is one of those fun little projects, and I wanted to see more what it was. Okay, so it's not paper, it is more of a thin foam, I'd say. A thin foam material, so it wouldn't be horrid against the face. It's not got that leather feel that you can have on some items, but it's definitely soft and flexible. The cutting around the edges is a little bit off in places, so you can see you've got that white. So I would potentially, once I've done this, I would trim it up a little bit more and neaten that up. But all in all, for the price, it's pretty good. You do get little holes, and then you've got your ribbon. So you'd pop your ribbon through 2 separate pieces. So you'd pop it, thread it through so that it loops, and that will give you one piece. And then once you're done with the other one, you've got another piece, and then of course you tie it back. Tie them together. You get a bog standard toolkit again, so boat, wax and pen. But let's have a look at what diamonds you get. It looks as though there's about 3 that are different designs. Some of them are in these one-time use bags, and some of them are in grip seal. So the colours in one-time use, we've got the yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple and a lighter blue. They're all the standard rhinestones. They're more the dome shaped rhinestones, so they don't have facets. Maybe there is a little bit of facets. Not a lot though, not a lot. And they are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which corresponds exactly with what's on the mask. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if they can go. They're easier to get back where they're supposed to be. But if you can see here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got 1, 4. We've actually got a 6, which is in a baggie. And then we do have letters and more numbers for these bigger ones. They don't use 9 and 6. So this is number 6, which is black rhinestones, of which there's more because all the detail, the colours are within a line of black. But then for the fancy ones, we have some A, which goes down the middle, and then round the outside is a mixture of these 2 teardrops, which is in red and orange. So that's a nice fun little off the canvas item, as I like to call them. Something that is a little bit different, and is a nice fun project in between your other projects, is what I find. I like to do an off the canvas item every now and then. It's a sense of accomplishment as well, because it's sort of an hour or two's project, or an evening's project, depending on how many diamonds. There's quite a lot on this. A nice evening project.
10,000 subscriber giveaway number 1. To be in with a chance to win a box of diamond painting goodies, head over to my website forkids@147.com, click on the tab giveaway and enter the password unboxing, all in lowercase. Then you have the opportunity to fill in your details and enter into the giveaway. This will be closed in 24 hours from when this video was posted. all the best to those that have entered.
And then we do have another diamond painting. Where's my scissors? I actually haven't needed to use my scissors yet, so let's cut it down here, and then I'm not likely to chop anything I don't want to. So this one is a little bit bigger than 30 by 40. Oh, it's taped up. Oh, I'm not used to this. Not from this company anyway. Okay, so we just have a little bit of tape just holding the canvas and the diamonds together, but this one is classed as a 45 by 35. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. It is in a round, and I'm not sure if you can make that out, but basically we've got sort of an art tree, and then we've got some wine bottles round the side. I imagine this looking really nice in a kitchen. It actually has 27 colours, which is quite a lot. What size is the actual canvas? So the actual drill area that you work on is 40 by 30. So while it's stated as a 35 by 45, it's actually a 30 by 40. We don't have training wheels on the symbols, but the symbols are in their own separate little white circle, but it does look quite small, so I do think you'd be able to cover them up without leaving any white behind, which is always good. Oh, we get baggies in this toolkit, so we get a little bit more, and oh, this is going to be a quicker unboxing because all the diamonds are in baggies. I quite like this. I did used to prefer them being in individual bags, but I've grown to love them being in baggies. It just takes up so much less room. They do have numbers on them, these baggies, so they're numbered 1 to 27 because there's 27 colours, but look at the colours in there. So we've got quite a lot of those too. They're quite thick. We've got some nice bright green in there, some nice purple hiding on the back, but a lot of nice colours. It does have DMC numbers on the canvas itself, so we've done well with getting DMC numbers out of these, but I just thought that would look really, really nice in a kitchen. It's that little pop of greenery but still got that sort of kitchen theme, should we say. So thank you so much to FGNormal for sending me these goodies, but we've got 2 diamond paintings. One is a standard size diamond painting. We've got one on a canvas, so as soon as it's completed it's ready to hang. This is quite a stiff board as well, so you've got no fear of it being all squishy when you're placing your diamonds. Easy to work on. We've got a mask if you fancy an evening project that's a little bit of fun, and a pen, a diamond painting pretty blue pen that I don't even know why I put that back in its packaging, because Dad's going in my collection because it's pretty. I will pop links to all of these down below, but thank you to FGNormal for sending me these goodies to share with you all, and thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.